Hi, my name is Mark Pledger and I'm a representative of SACRA. SACRA stands for the South African Consolidated Recreational Anglers Association. Everybody is well aware that our fisheries and natural resources are under ginormous threat. And if we sit idly by, unfortunately we are not going to have any form of sustainable future, which means that our kids and our grandkids and our grandkids' kids will have no form of fishing as a recreational sport. It's time to actually get together and make sure that every single person that has a vested interest in angling puts up their hand and make sure that they become a member of SACRA. The good news is that the whole of the wholesale industry has already joined this worthy cause, and they are the people that are actually funding this cause as it stands at the moment. But we still need everybody else to get involved. Every single recreational angler, we would like you to become a card-carrying member of this organization. You'll be able to sign up either on the internet at www.sacra.co.za, that's SACRAA.co.za, or you'll actually be able to sign up in every single fishing tackle store and you'll get your card before you actually walk out. And the fee per annum is only 30 Rand. So it's not a huge amount of money, but that money, every single cent of it is going to be plowed back into the fishing industry. The good news is that every single retailer where you'll be able to buy this, buy your card from, has already sponsored 1,200 Rand to the cause, and they'll be doing so every single year until we actually have sufficient funds to make sure that we've got an opportunity to make sure that we can watch our grandkids fish.